Hello, my name is Brian Baker, and I'm here today to talk with you about Tanzanite. Tanzanite is a new type of development platform centered around all the areas of finance and trading, built from the ground up to do what other platforms simply can't do. So what does that statement mean? Well, for the last 30 years, investment in trading software has been somewhat unchanged in its design. The basic charting and system testing have been the primary focus. Well, software itself has changed over this time period. With better graphics, a better tester, the ability to automate trading, people are still limited to some of the basic tools between various packages. Some of the look and the feel are different. Some of the bells and whistles have changed. But overall, they are all designed to do virtually the same thing. But what if the tools and components of the software were not dictated by the company that made the software, but instead was designed and made by the rest of the world? Welcome to Tanzanite. Tanzanite has been designed from the ground up on the idea of a dynamic framework. At its core, we wanted to put the power of design and usage back into the hands of designers and traders. We will provide some basic standardized modules that traders already know and expect, and a development framework that can be used to expand the capabilities of these modules, or to create whole new ones from scratch. But Tanzanite goes beyond that. The modules and components that are developed for it can become fully integrated into the Tanzanite system. That means that existing modules can be used with new modules and new components from other developers without ever having any previous knowledge about them. We think the saying, "we don't know what we don't know," is appropriate here because the traders and developers are going to have wonderful ideas that we know absolutely nothing about. But with our framework, they can develop these ideas into new fully integrated applications, or apps if you will, prefer, and not only use them, but sell them in the company's app store, which leads us to revenue streams and profitability. Anyone using Tanzanite will be charged a monthly licensing fee. As part of our business model, we will be seeking agreements with brokerage firms to build support modules on the back end of our platform to communicate with each firm the trader's using. The advantage here is that the trader will not need to learn any whole new system to execute their trades. They just simply change which broker they want to use with a simple drop-down list, and the software adjusts on the back end automatically. These agreements could include, if the trader executes a minimum number of trades each month, that the brokerage firm would cover the costs for that month. We could also include ads from the brokerage firms as a way of enhancing their visibility and our fees. Traders want an ad-free copy, we charge them a couple bucks more. Data can also be used as a revenue stream by selling the price data to any customer that would like a one-stop shop for their trading. For the developers, the developer kit would be free, but they would only be able to sell their apps, their modules, and their systems through the Tanzanite App Store with an industry standard 30-70 split. With literally tens of thousands of developers out there, the SDK and App Store allow us to leverage all of the development power without having to pay for any of it. And that is Tanzanite. Thank you very much.